Hello students, today we will see the basics of trigonometric functions. Okay, so see there are six trigonometric functions. Okay, there are six trigonometric functions. Okay, they are sine theta, cos theta. Or when I'm writing trigonometric function, I will just write down like this way: sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, and cosine. Okay, actually, when I say sine, I mean to say sine, sine, and cos means cosine. Tan, that is tangent, and sec, that is second, cosecant. Okay, now see all this sine and cos. You will see one thing common. Okay, everywhere you will see one thing common. Okay, this is CO, sine, cosine, tan, cotangent, cot, or sec, cosec. This CO means complementary angle. Okay, CO means complementary angle. Now what is complementary angle? Complementary angle means sum of two angles is 90 degree. Okay, so see sine theta, that theta means when I write down sine theta, then this theta means this is the angle. Here sine theta, here theta is the angle. So if I write down sine 50, okay, 50 degree, then what is the complementary of 50? 50 plus what will be equal to 90? 40. So this will be equal to cos 40 degree. Here sin 50 degree, that will be equal to cos 40 degree. So that is the reason CO means complementary of sine. Okay. Similarly, tan 50 will be equal to cot 40 and sec 50 will be equal to cosec 40. Clear? Now, six trigonometric functions are there. Actually, these trigonometric functions are expressed in the ratios of the sides of a right angle triangle. Okay, this I will take at adjacent side to the angle, opposite side to the angle, and hypotenuse. Okay, sometimes we also call it as base, we call it as perpendicular, and this as hypotenuse. Okay, so there are six ratios possible. Okay, what this trigonometric function, they are expressed in the form of ratios. Means this six trigonometric functions are expressed as ratios of two sides. Okay, so sine theta, that will be equal to O by H. Okay, cos theta, that will be equal to E by H. Tan theta, that will be equal to O by E. Okay, cosec theta, that will be equal to H by O. Sec theta, that will be equal to H by E, and cot theta, that will be equal to A by O. Clear? Okay, so these are the ratios of right angle triangle. Okay, now some identities. See, here you will see the ratio of sine and cosec. It's reciprocal. So cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. Similarly, sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta, and cot theta, that is equal to 1 upon tan theta. Clear? So these are some identities. Okay, clear? This you might have already studied in standard 10. Okay, now let's move to some more formulas. Okay, now you sin square theta plus cos square theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Okay, similarly sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1, and cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. Okay, so see, these are the three formulas, three identities, I will say. So now how we can use this in different way? Okay, I can use this in this way first, like cosec square theta, or cos square theta will be equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Clear? Or cos theta will be equal to square root of 1 minus sin square theta. Okay. Similarly, sin square theta will be equal to 1 minus cos square theta, or sin theta will be equal to square root of 1 minus cos square theta. Okay, if you just don't remember this formula, then you can derive it from the main one. Clear? Similarly, for sec square theta minus tan square theta, okay, I can use here sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta, or sec theta is equal to square root of 1 plus tan theta. Okay, similarly tan square theta, that will be, when I will take 10 here, it will be positive 1 here, so it is will be equal to sec square theta minus 1, or tan theta, that will be equal to square root of sec square theta minus 1. Okay, and third side is cosec square theta minus cot square theta. Okay, I can use here cot square theta equal to 1, sorry, cosec square theta minus 1. Well, let me write down first about cosec square theta. Cosec square theta equal to 1 plus cot square theta, or cosec theta equal to square root of 1 plus cot square theta. Okay, and cot square theta, that will be equal to cosec square theta minus 1, or cot theta will be equal to square root of cosec square theta minus 1. Okay, so actually there are only these three identities. Okay, actually here there are only three identities: 1, 2, and 3. So these are the sub identities based on this main one. Clear? Okay, now let's see the values of sine, cos, and tan for some angles, some for some specific angles. Okay, now we will see the values of some specific angle. See here first, 0 degree or 0 radian. Clear? I mean degree it will be 0, in radian 0 radian, same. 30 degree, that will be equal to pi by 6 radian. 45 degree, pi by 4. 60 degree pi by 3, and 90 degree pi by 2. Okay, you might have already studied this table in standard 10. Okay, but now you also need to remember it in radian. Okay, so the value of sine 0 is 0, sine 30 degree 1 by 2, sine 45 1 by root 2, sine 60 that is equal to root 3 by 2, and sine 90 that is 1. Okay, now cos. When I take cos, what is cos? CO means complementary of sine. Clear? So 0 plus 90 equal to 90 degree. So 0 degree, what is the complementary of cos 0? Sine 90. So that will be equal to 1. What is the complementary of 30 degree? 60. So sine 60 root 3 by 2. Complementary of 45, 45. So 1 by root 2. Complementary of 60, 30 degree. So 1 by 2. Okay, 0. Now tan theta, okay, tan theta is equal to sine theta by cos theta. Clear? The formula for tan theta, okay, I can write it down here. One more formula, that is tan theta equal to sine theta by cos theta. By cos theta, and cot theta, that is equal to cos theta upon sine theta. Clear? So tan theta is sine theta by cos theta, means I need to take the ratio of sine and cos, right? So what is 0 divided by 1? 0. Okay. 0 divided by 1 is 0. Okay. Tan 30, 1 by 2 upon root 3 by 2. 2 gets cancelled. It will be 1 upon root 3. 1 by root 2 upon 1 by root 2, 1. Root 3 by 2 upon 1 by 2, 2 gets cancelled. Root 3. And 1 by 0, you cannot divide any number by 0. So that is undefined. Okay. Now cot, that is complementary of tangent. Okay. So cot 0, complementary of 0 is 90. So undefined. Okay. Here it's root 3. Here it will be root 3. 1, 1. 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3. 0, 0. Clear? Now cosec theta. What was cosec theta? 1 upon sine theta. So 1 by 0. Okay. That will be equal to undefined. Okay, clear? Or else I just made a mistake. First, let us write down sec. Then we will go with complementary of sec. Sec is 1 upon cos theta. So 1 by 1, it's 1. Okay, now 1 upon means reciprocal of cos, that is sec. So here it will be 2 by root 3. Here root 2 by 1, so that is root 2. Here 2 by 1, that is 2. And here 0 means 1 by 0, undefined. Here, so now cosec, just use this value. Okay, 90 is complementary of 0, so undefined. This 2, root 2, 2 by root 3, 1. Okay, I'm just reversing of sec. Here, so this is the table of trigonometric function. These are some specific values for 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree, or 0 radian, pi by 6, pi by 4, pi by 3, and pi by 2. Clear? So just note down this table. Okay, now let's move ahead. See, now we have already discussed that sine and cosine, they are complementary of each other. Okay, so when you give a 90-degree shift, sine will be converted to cos, tan will be converted to cot, and sec will be converted to cosine. See, sine 90 degree minus theta, this will be equal to cot theta. Sorry, cos theta, not cot theta. Okay, similarly, cos 90 degree minus theta, this will be equal to sin theta. I can also write down this in this way. Sin pi by 2 minus theta, cos pi by 2 minus theta. Here, tan pi by 2 minus theta, that will be equal to, I can write down this as 10 90 degree minus theta. So this will be equal to cot theta. Similarly, cot pi by 2 minus theta, that will be equal to cot 90 degree minus theta, that will be equal to tan theta. Sec pi by 2 minus theta, that will be equal to sec 90 degree minus theta, and that is equal to cosec theta. And cosec pi by 2 minus theta, that will be equal to cosec 90 degree minus theta, and that is equal to sec theta. Okay, now see, whenever there is 90 degree minus theta, it will be always equal to its complementary angle. Clear? So you just note it down this. Now see, everywhere when it is 90 minus theta, then it is equal to cos theta, right? But what will be your answer if you take 90 plus theta? Okay, so if I take a unit circle, we had studied unit circle in our last video lecture, right? All S T C. Okay, so see, this was 90 degree or pi by 2, and this is 180 degree or pi. Clear? In every case, when there is a pi by 2 shift or 90 shift, okay, sine converts to cos, cos converts to tan. Sorry, sine. Tan converts to cot, cot converts to tan. Sec converts to cosec, cosec convert to sec. Okay, but now if I take sine 90 plus theta. Okay, now which angle is this? Which trigonometric sine? 90 plus theta. So this is 90 degree. Okay, plus theta. Let's say there will be some this angle theta. So this is 90 plus theta. So which quadrant? Second quadrant. This is first quadrant. Or this is first quadrant. This is second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. Now you see that in first, second quadrant, sine is positive, right? So what was our answer when there is a 90 degree shift? It gets converted to cos. So cos theta. And as sine, this is positive in second quadrant, this will be plus. But if the question is cos 90 plus theta, 90 degree plus theta, okay, then cos, again, as it is 90 degree shift, it will get converted to sine theta. Okay, but cos is negative in second quadrant, right? Here, this in second quadrant, only sine and its reciprocal cosec is positive. Cos is negative, right? So as cos is negative, I will get negative answer. So I will put minus sine theta. Okay. So what you need to see first, you see which shift 90 degree or 180. When there is 90 degree, just change it. Clear? Okay. Now see if it is like this, tan 90 degree plus theta. So as it is 90 degree, I will convert it to cot. Clear? Okay. Now plus theta. Clear? So which quadrant? Second quadrant. In second quadrant, tan is negative, so it will be minus cot. Clear? Okay. So this is 90 degree shift, or I can say pi by 2 shift. Clear? Similarly, 270 degree, that is also equivalent to 90. When there is 270 degree shift, again use the same method. Like if I take cos 270 degree minus theta. So here it is 270. Okay, whenever there is a shift that relates to this vertical axis. Okay, 90, 270. Clear? So what happened? 270, so I need to change. It will be sine theta. Okay, now which angle is this? Cos. 270 is here. Minus, So I need to subtract something angle theta. Right? So this is in third quadrant. In third quadrant, cos is negative. So I will put minus sign. Clear? Now there is 180 degrees shift. 180 degrees shift or pi. Okay. Now remember, whenever there is 180 degrees shift, then you need not change the trigonometric function. Means sine will remain sine, cos will remain cos, tan will remain tan, and so on. But whether it is positive or negative, for that you need to check the quadrant. Like if I take tan 180 degree minus theta, so as it is 180 shift, this will be equal to tan theta. Okay, but 180 minus theta, so 180 is here minus, so in this way. So this is second quadrant. In second quadrant, tan is negative, so I will use minus tan theta here. But if it is like this way, tan 180 degree plus theta, then again 180 shift, so tan theta. But 180 plus, so here it is 180 plus means this way. So whenever it is plus, go anti-clockwise. Whenever it is minus, go clockwise. So this is third quadrant. In third quadrant, tan is positive. So this will be plus tan theta. Here, similarly, sine 180 degree minus theta. Okay, 180. So sine theta. Now 180 minus. So 180 minus second quadrant. In second quadrant, sine is positive plus sine. If I take cos 180 degree minus theta, then as it is 180 shift, it is cos theta. But 180 minus second quadrant. In second quadrant, cos is negative. So it will be minus cos theta. If I take cos 180 degree plus theta, as it is 180, it will remain cos. Now 180 plus, so 180 is here plus third quadrant. In third also cos is negative, so I will take minus. Okay. Now this is also equal for this 360 degree. Okay. Clear? Any trigonometric function, if I take 360 plus theta, it will remain same because after 360 it is repeating. Okay, from the first quadrant. Means after 360 its value will be repeated. Okay, so any trigonometric function, whether it is sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec, 360 degree plus theta, it will remain same. But if it is 360 minus theta, okay, see here, if I take sine 360 degree plus theta, sine theta. Tan 360 degree plus theta, tan theta. Okay. But if I take tan 360 degree minus theta, as it is 360 degree shift, it will remain tan. Now 360 is here. Minus, so clockwise. So this is in fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, cos and sec are positive, so tan is negative. It will be minus theta. Here, so this is about 90-degree shift and 180-degree shift. At present, you only understand about 90-degree shift. Whatever 90 minus theta, it will change, but positive sign. 90 plus theta, then you need to check the quadrant for negative or positive, and again the trigonometric function will change. Whenever there is 180-degree shift, the trigonometric function will not change. Okay, but you need to check whether it is second quadrant or third quadrant. If it is second quadrant, then sine and cosec will be positive. All of the four will be negative. If it is third quadrant, means 180 plus theta, then tan and cot will be positive, all other will be negative. Okay, so this was about 90-degree shift and 180-degree shift. Clear? Just note it down. Okay, now note down the complete thing. Okay, students, so that's it for today. Thank you.